Last lesson is written by Alphonse Daudet. He was born in 31st May 1840 and he was died 16 December 1897. This chapter, the last lesson, set in France because Alphonse Daudet was a French. He was a novelist and short story writer. The lesson is related a student. He was going to school but he is late. His name is French. Because that day he does not want to attend the class because his teacher gave him participles for learning, but Franz did not prepare, so he was scared. When he was going to school, as he passed near bulletin board means notice board, he saw there was a crowd. On bulletin board there was a message, but what was, he does not know. There a student, when he was stopped for a moment, watcher, a blacksmith, saw this. He said to that student, "Oh Bob, don't go so fast. You have plenty time." But he did not say anything. When he came to open, he saw the soldiers were drilling, parading. But he was late for school, so he was in hurry. As he entered in school, he saw very calmness. As Sunday, when he want to go in the classroom, he thought he will enter without any notice. But he saw the class was already going on and his teacher, M. Hamel is teaching in his school last 40 years. He has been teaching there last 40 years. But he was going another place. Reason. The last lesson is related for France country and Persia, that time known Persia as you know today Germany. Germany captured two districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine. Two districts, Alsace and Lorraine. In both districts, German will be taught language. So he is going another place. As M. Hamel said, German teacher will come here tomorrow and German language will be taught here. So, in respect of French language, in the classroom, some benches always empty. But that day, some villagers were also sitting. Former mayors, former postmaster, and some others. And M. Hamel was also wearing fine clothes. He wore like that clothes only for inspection day or prize given distribution function day, but he was wearing that day in respect of French language. He told the class, this is the last lesson I will teach you today. He called French name and asked about participles. But as I told you in the beginning, French did not prepare participles. So he stood up and held the bench silently. And Hamel said nothing. He said only, I knew you are also confused because every day we think we shall do this work next day, and as the days passed. So, dear students, this is the last lesson. M. Hamel brought some copies also. On copies there is written Alsace Lorraine, Alsace Lorraine. He gave some grammar work also. There the students can hear only some insect's voice or the scratching of pens. No any kind of sound there. At last, he said to the students, if you know your language, because this lesson is saying the importance of language. He said, if any country or other language countryman enslave you, only your language is key to that prison. Means they do not know your language. When you talk in your language, you can make a plan. So this language, French language, is the beautiful language in the world. As M. Hamel is saying. In the end, he took a chalk like this and write on the blackboard, live long France. And he leaned his hand against the blackboard and he gestures to the students, class dismiss.